Hello everyone! In this video, I want to walk you through the steps of filling out the high school data form, which you need to complete as a part of the enrollment process. It is linked in your Steps to Enrollment email and can also be found in your SBCC account. This form is important to see your knowledge in English and math. But don't worry, you don't have to have perfect knowledge and there is no pressure at all. We understand that international students come to SBCC with different goals and levels. Some of you will only be here for 1 to 2 semesters for a study abroad experience, and others will be here to complete a degree program or even planning to transfer to a 4-year university. All those factors play into how significant this form is for you, and I will try to cover each case for you. If you are a student in a temporary study abroad program, depending on your interests, you might not even take a math or English course, so this form is not as significant for you, but you will still need to complete it, so stick around for the instructions. If you're a student planning to complete a degree, math and English courses are part of your general education requirement, and therefore the data provided in this form is important, so we can make sure that you are enrolled in classes that are on your level of knowledge. Especially for STEM majors, being placed in the right level is important since you have many math classes to complete, and even though classes can be adjusted if placement is incorrect, we want to make sure you have an accurate placement to save time and potential stress later on. And lastly, if you have previously taken any math or English courses at a university in the US or in another country, you can use that information to help fill out this form. Firstly, I want to show you how to access the high school data form from your SBCC account. On your homepage, click on Class Registration and Schedule, and then on Student Records. In the Students Records tab, click on View Course Placement and Eligibility. Once you open that, click on the High School Data Form in the middle section. So this is the high school data form, and I would recommend playing this video while filling out this form so you can avoid any confusion. For the first question, use the GPA provided in the Register for Classes email, so definitely double check which GPA was provided for your specific case. I will be using 2.5 as an example. Next, you will select Yes. Now the next section is about your English knowledge. This doesn't necessarily have to relate to the class level completed, but more to your knowledge and how comfortable you're speaking English. If you feel like your English is excellent, you can put 12th grade. If you feel like it's good, you can put 11th grade. If you think it is so-so, select 10th grade. Again, this is not going to influence whether you can attend SBCC or not. It is simply to collect information about your education. Next, we will move on to the math section. For this, we will have a guide with math equation samples linked below, which should help you determine which level math fits you and your skill level best. Again, this is especially important for STEM majors, so pay close attention to this if you're planning to go into a STEM field. Once again, when selecting a grade, you can either go based on your actual grade or kind of judge your own skills. That's it. You completed the high school data form. You can always reach out to your advisor if you have any questions. Good luck and thank you for watching.